Welcome to this video on the Word 2016 window, sometimes called the workspace. We're going to explore the features and learn the standard names or terminology of the buttons and interfaces. This is the basic Word 2016 window. It's important to know the names of the areas and features. Microsoft Office has a standard terminology for just about everything. We'll start at the top. This area is the title bar. It displays the name of your document. When you first open a new Word document, it will have a default title of Document followed by a number. In this case, you can see that the title is Document 1. It will change as soon as you save the document with a descriptive name. The top left area is the Quick Access Toolbar, or QAT. By default, the QAT has the Save, Undo, and Redo buttons. The QAT is always visible, so it is the place to put your most often used commands. The down arrow opens a dialog with some additional commands you can add to the QAT. If you have a command that you want to add that is not in the menu, click More Commands, and you can add anything else you want to. This area is the ribbon. The ribbon is your main access to all the tools you will need and use in creating and editing documents. The ribbon has tabs across the top. Each tab opens a different set of command groups. The command groups are related to the tab title. The Home tab has the most often used formatting commands. The Insert tab has the commands you need to insert graphics, tables, extra pages, headers, and footers. All of the tabs have command groups that are related to the tab name. You can collapse the ribbon to give yourself more screen space. Double-click any tab or click the Collapse Ribbon arrow. Double-click any tab to display the ribbon again. Many of the command groups have more commands that are available by opening an additional dialog box. For instance, on the Layout tab, hover over the Dialog Launch button in the lower right corner of the Page Setup command group. You can hover over any button in Word and the name of the feature and a description will appear. In this case, it is the Page Setup dialog. Click Page Setup to open and you will see a much greater list of commands than just what is in the command group. Notice also that the title of the dialog box is at the top left. It is very important to understand how to identify commands, features, and dialog boxes. The bottom of the Word window has some basic information including word count and page count, toggles for the different views, and zoom controls. You can also zoom by holding down the Control key and rotating your mouse wheel if it has one. You can zoom using a two-finger pinch on a touchscreen device. The big space in the middle is your document. This view is the print view. It replicates what you would see if you printed the document. There is a blinking vertical bar. This is the insertion cursor and indicates where you are in the document. If you begin typing, this is where the characters would appear. Your cursor changes to an I-bar shape when you hover over the document area. We will cover adding and formatting content in another video.